pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Down, okay? All right. Hey, everybody. I got friendship mail. I love that. I am so excited. This package here is from Ariana, also known as Anna, and her mom is Love Anna 5, and her name is Lisa. And they've been with me probably for over a year now, and pretty much since I started my channel, and I love them both dearly. Anyway, they sent me a package. They said, I want to send you something, and they did. So we're going to open this together, and we're going to see what they gave me. I love getting stuff. It's so exciting. Ooh, wait a minute. Whoop. Okay, hang on, hang on. Aww, look. I love that. What a talented little girl. Thank you, Ariana. So cute. Oh, I thought about picking this up. Look, it's Candy Castle from ColourPop, right? ColourPop Land. Okay, so they gave... Aww. They gave me a palette to play with. I am super excited about this. Ooh, look at the colors. Oh, I can't wait to do a look with that. That is so pretty. Oh, thank you guys. And then I know they had asked me a bunch of questions about things I liked. Wait a minute. I am from New Jersey and I am a Giants fan. Oh my goodness. Tell me this is a jersey. It is, and it's retired Eli Manning. Oh my gosh. Yes, he's just was the greatest. Oh my gosh, I love that. I can't wait to wear it. Thank you so much. I love that look, guys. Eli Manning. Yes, I love it. Oh my goodness. What an awesome gift. Okay, they asked me, I see a blanket, if Kayla liked soft blankets, and she does, and oh my goodness, look at this with the stars. I absolutely love it. Aww. Thank you guys so much. She's gonna love this. We have to bring blankets to her school every day for her. So this way she's kind of covered in it when she sits in her chair. If she does have a seizure and her head goes forward, it lands on something soft. So thank you. This means so much to me. The jersey, oh my gosh. And then, of course, the palette. And then how precious this is going on my prayer wall. I do have a prayer wall where I put pictures and notes that you guys send me to make sure that I remember to pray for you guys. So that is where that will be going. And this will be going on my vanity. And then, of course, in my closet. And this I will be giving to Kayla. So, wow. Thanks, guys, so much for sending me this stuff. You really brightened my day. I don't want to cry. I just did my look. But anyhow, thank you. It means the world to me that you thought enough of me to send me something. I've also gotten cards from Mary, Love Yourself. Thank you so very much. And I got a Christmas card from Danielle Smith. Thank you so very much. Guys, you blow me away with your love and kindness. And you wonder why I do so many giveaways. It's for all of you. I just love you, each and every one of you, so very much. I'm also going to announce the winner of the highlight palette, I believe it was, in the Fashionsta box. So guys, let's grab that winner and I'll be right back.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Oh my gosh, congratulations, Linda! And it was for the entire box. I had to remember. So Linda actually won the charcoal drying lotion, the charcoal pore care mask, the Skin & Company Whipped Cleansing Cream and the Golden Gatsby Old Money Highlighter. Oh, you're clapping in the background? Jackson's clapping for you, Linda. Let's show this highlighter off.
Yeah, I'm clapping in the background.
Whoop. Oh, it's a highlight palette. There's more than one. Oh my gosh. So there you are. I had to remember. There's so many products come through my way. Oh my goodness. So make sure that you congratulate Linda. I am so very happy for you. Do me a favor and get in touch with me on IG, and I will make sure these goodies get sent out to you this week. I love you guys so very much. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing of my friend mail and this announcement of our winner. I absolutely love doing these giveaways, and I'm sure Linda will enjoy all of this. Don't forget, I still have a Boxycharm giveaway going on, and there's other ones on my channel as well. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you real soon in another video. Love you.
Bye.